In Excel, when you have a longer document and you want to print it out, it can be a bit of a problem because when you print out on a new page, what often ends up happening is the column headings don't print on every single page. So in this video, we're going to have a look at how we set up something called print titles, which makes it easier when you print out documentation that goes over multiple pages. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to page layout and we're going to go to print titles. Now, basically what we want here is our spreadsheet that we're going to be printing out is not that wide, but it's going to go onto multiple pages. We can see that because at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's 50 lines and there's actually quite a lot more. What we want to do is every page, we want these column headings to display. So what we're going to do here is click in the box that says rows to repeat at top. And from here we click on row number 1. Now Excel's automatically selecting row number 1 and it's going to put it in so that every single page that gets printed out has those column headings. And it just makes everything easy to read, especially if we've got a lot of information. Now, in the event that your spreadsheet is actually quite wide, so it goes across the screen, and you want to also display the labels that are sitting here on each row in column A, for example, you can click in columns to repeat at the left and choose column A, and it will lock in and print everything in that first column on every page and row number 1 heading. I'm just going to take that out because for what we want here, we just want that row at the top to repeat every single time. Now, whilst I have selected the first row, if you had a heading above this, you could easily select the second, third or fourth, and you can also select multiple rows. So if you wanted rows 1 to 3 to display at the top there, I'll just take that out. You could go 1, 2, 3, and it will put all of those items in there, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to take that out and we'll just put in row number 1, and we're going to go to print preview so you can see what it's going to look like. So as you can see here, it's got all of the information. We've got the state, client, order amount, etc. There's 16 pages that it's printing out, so quite a long spreadsheet. If we click on the arrow here, you can see as we go through each page, the column headings, so row number 1, is staying fixed. So this is a great way of just making sure there's consistency in your documentation and it looks much more professional when you print it out.